Hey y'all, Instinct Survivalist coming to you again with another product review. This time we're doing the Exotac titanLight. What? The titanLight. So the titanLight itself, let's just go through some of the facts and figures in this. Number one, that's always been impressive to me. So one twist, it's off. So I don't know if that's something you're into or whatever, but that's pretty cool, right? The big thing about it is it's waterproof. So that's up to 1 meter. That's a good bit. Anyway, the other thing about it is it's leak proof. So the titanLight itself is leak proof, and I actually did some tests or some facts on the website instinctsurvivalist.com about the tests that I did. But basically, I did just a couple of drops in the cotton that's in the bottom because I wanted to test the leak proof theory, right? To me, when you look at how many people carry Zippos or Bics or things of that nature, and I'm looking for a lighter specifically that's long lasting, bright orange in this case. They do have multiple colors. I want to make sure that I've got something that when I get ready to use it, it's there. So what I did is I actually put a little bit of lighter fluid in it. I let it on my desk, set it up for a month like this and a month like this, and just laid it on my desk. Afterwards, so 2 months later, go figure on that, right? I actually took and was able to strike and got several, I don't know if you can see that, but got several strikes out of it. I think the exact number was 5. And again, keep in mind, I just put a little bit of lighter fluid in it. Now this time I filled it up. So we're looking at another month and a half to 2 months. And I mean, you saw it light. I haven't done anything with it since I left Georgia. We left Georgia June the 2nd. So here we are, July the 24th, I think. Anyway, somewhere in there, and it's still got plenty of fluid, so it's not leaking out. The reason for that is because when you look at what the screw, what the sealant is, when I drop the fluid in there, it's actually got another O-ring here to protect it. Number one, from leaking out. Now I'll probably lose all my fluid because I just opened it up, but that screws down pretty daggum tight. The other thing about it is it's got a combustible. What they call a convection chamber. Hold on, I'm looking at my notes just to make sure. A convection assist combustion. I had to look it up. Now, luckily I knew the science behind that. What that meant is that this chamber that's around the flame keeps it to where all of the fluid, everything goes into this one place. So when you look at combusting or lighting, you saw me just hit it one time and it lit. So that's the benefit. That's the benefit of having that chamber around here. The other thing about it is that even though it comes with a flint, and that's usually one of the big things when people talk about having a lighter that, oh my gosh, now I've got to replace fluid, now I've got to replace flints. Yeah, you get 500 strikes on a flint, and it's replaceable. The thing about it is I actually went through the process of replacing the flint. I didn't replace it, but I went through the process as if. It's got a button here on the side that you push. The whole thing pops up. You watch for the spring. The spring will pop out, just as a by the way. Just letting you know, the spring, watch it. But the thing about that is that it was easily pulled it out, put it back in, and then closed it back up. So that in itself was very, very cool, very easy to use. And that's kind of the big benefit of this is okay, yeah, granted, I've got bright orange. It's got an O-ring here to make sure that the waterproof part goes long. Again, I've done some testing. You can check out the actual test that I did on instinctsurvivalist.com. But I'm going to read you out the facts just so that you have this. If you carry a Zippo, great. If you're looking for a lighter, this is certainly one that you want to definitely consider because of those factors, because of the waterproof and leak proof. It's there when you need it. That to me says volumes, right? When I need my emergency gear, when I need gear, I need it to be there and be ready when I need it, right? It's kind of like sharpening your knives at the end of a day so that tomorrow when you need them, you got a sharp knife. So here we go. Weight, 2.0 ounces. 2 ounces. Now, if you're a ultralight backpacker, that may be a big factor to you, but trust me in this. Flint's about 500 strikes, replaceable flint, convection assist combustion. And some of the other stuff I'm just kind of, repeating. It's waterproof up to 1 meter. Yes, I dropped that sucker in the river. just to make sure. Come up, lit it again. That was awesome. Leak proof. Diameter is 1 inch and about 3.5 inches long. So this is machined aluminum, very lightweight, very easy to use. So guys, I'm gonna put a link down below. I'll put a link down below for the article that I wrote as well, because I think those two together are going to give you some beneficial factors. Now keep in mind that when I put the link for this, it's on the Amazon page because, well, hey guys, let's just be real. I get a little bit of money, not much. It's like a dollar, if that. But anyway, so guys, go check it out. Link here. I'll also link to the Exotac website. Chris has been very, very helpful to me. He's also been very, very patient during the move to allow me a little bit more time to review the product. So the Exotac titanLight, check it out. Get one, get 3, get 5, get 10. Put them in every bag you got. Put them in your vehicles. Put them in your pocket. Load up your pockets. Give them to friends. Whatever. Definitely worth the money. Definitely worth the product. And you know me, I try not to go for, hey, here's another gadget and this is what you need. This is what you need. So add this to your collection. Add this to your goods, your preps, your survival gear, your outdoor gear, whatever it is, and make sure you take one of these. So thanks for watching. Thanks for everything you do. Thanks for all the likes, comments, subscribes. I'm trying to get back into it, guys. I'm fairly settled into Montana. Still got some things to do, but fairly settled. But wanted to make sure that I got some of these product reviews out for you. Look for the next one coming. It is also from Exotac. It is the Fire Rod. So we'll get that one going as well. Again, thanks to Chris. If you see Chris at any of the outings or any of the events, make sure you shake his hand. Great guy. And talk to him about Exotac. He loves talking about it. So until then, use your instincts to survive. Thanks for watching. Hey y'all, Instinct Survival is coming to you another. It's been too long.